Chiefs cornerback L'Jarius Sneed is ready for a new contract. He's hoping it's with KC, telling GM, pay me. That's what I've got to say. Pay me. On the Up and Adam show yesterday. Mina, what should be the Chiefs' biggest priority this offseason?
This is tricky because L'Jarius Sneed was fantastic last year. I voted for him for All-Pro, but if I was the Chiefs, I would still prioritize Chris Jones over him, not through any fault of Sneed, but because this team has been very good at drafting and developing corners. You remember they said goodbye to Travarius Ward, who was amazing in San Francisco, whereas up front, time and time again, we've seen they need Chris Jones to be that closer on the defensive line, which was what he was in the postseason. If they can keep them both, that would be fantastic. I just think it's going to be hard because both of these defensive players will command top of the market salaries, and if it comes to that, I would lean towards prioritizing Chris Jones over Sneed.
Steve,
well, you definitely got to do that. You can't prioritize anybody over Chris Jones. You definitely got to do that. But if you can keep both, and even if you have to sacrifice things offensively, that's what you have to do. I would hope they would get an additional weapon for Patrick Mahomes, but keeping Sneed and Chris Jones should be the priority, without question.